She's taken this holistic view of joint by joint. We look at what does this joint need to function at its best. Her treatments can be very effective without being overly aggressive. There are no symptoms anymore. We're not just treating and pain managing symptoms, we're addressing the problem. My name is Katherine Reutter. I am a short track speed skater. I competed in the 2010 Olympics in Vancouver, where I won a silver and bronze medal. I'm recently coming back into my sport and making a comeback for the 2018 Olympics. After the 2010 games, I had a torn labrum in my left hip. All my doctors recommended that I get surgery for that. The surgery and the rehab went well, but within a year I had career-ending back pain. And so I did my best to pain manage through injections and anything that I could find. I look back on my career 6 years ago and think, why did I let that orthopedic doctor talk me into another surgery, another injection, when I knew that wasn't right for me. I made it through until January of 2012 before my body just literally stopped being able to do anything that I asked it to do. Throughout my recovery process, I was training at the Olympic Training Center in Colorado Springs, and I was on an elite level of racing, so I had a lot of help from the United States Olympic Committee and US Speed Skating to get in touch with all these doctors who were supposed to be the best in their fields. And that is how I met Maria. She and her husband, Dave, were very involved in the club, and as our relationship grew, Dr. Hopp was also having some SI joint problems, and she started kind of giving me some of her feedback, some of her advice, things that had worked for her. So what Dr. Hopp has done really well is identifying, like, how do we keep your symptoms manageable while also addressing the problem of the SI joint. Her treatments can be very effective without being overly aggressive. She's taken this holistic view of joint by joint. We look at what does this joint need to function at its best. I was able to get my SI joint to stabilize to the point where I could skate again. I think the most exciting thing about coming back into my sport, something I'm able to do now that I was never able to do before, is I can listen to my body. I think that Dr. Hopp takes a very holistic approach, which I really appreciate. There are no symptoms anymore. We're not just treating and pain managing symptoms, we're addressing the problem.